In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your master profile account portal in HubSpot and configure the foundation of your sales system. We'll begin by going directly to HubSpot.com using Chrome. Using Chrome is helpful because it tends to provide the smoothest experience with modern business platforms, especially when you're working through account setup, admin settings, and browser-based integrations. Once you're on the site, create and register your main profile account portal. This will serve as the central workspace where your team, contacts, reporting, and automation settings will all live. So it's important to treat this as your primary business environment from the start. After the account portal is created, move into your business settings and enter your global administrative company details. This is where you'll define the core traits of the account, including your business information, your default time zone, and your company domains. These settings matter more than people often expect. Your time zone affects scheduling, activity logs, and reporting accuracy, while your company domains help the platform properly identify internal traffic, support branding, and keep your portal aligned with your real business environment. Take a moment here to review everything carefully before saving, since these foundational settings support many features across the system. Next, connect your corporate web host link so you can set up and synchronize the background tracking script. This step allows the platform to begin monitoring website activity and associating that engagement with visitor behavior inside your portal. In simple terms, this is what helps turn your website into a connected part of your customer data system. As you complete this setup, make sure the tracking script is properly placed and syncing correctly, because accurate tracking will support later reporting, lead attribution, and visibility into how contacts interact with your site. Once tracking is in place, configure your custom pipeline stages. The goal here is to map the pipeline to the way your business already handles sales. Build each stage so it reflects your normal operational sales lifecycle, from early interest through active opportunity management and on to completed outcomes. A clean pipeline makes your team's work easier to follow and gives you much better visibility into deal progress. Try to keep the stage names clear and practical so they're easy to understand at a glance. Finally, import your existing customer record spreadsheets to establish your new unified lead center database. This step brings your historical information into